What's going on, everyone? Hayden here. Welcome to this video. Got the beige hat on, out with the dog in this beautiful countryside. Topic of the video: don't stop buying for Amazon FBA. Wow, I feel like I've just in the last week or two got myself out of a rut in Amazon that lasted a long time. Now, I had advice from someone which, you know, helps me to a certain extent, don't get me wrong, and it has served its purpose to stop ordering, to take a step back, to systemize, and it took me a long time to do that. Now I'm sort of 70-80% automated in my Amazon business, apart from the purchasing and the general sort of growth management. But I stopped ordering, and the ricochet, the after effect, the negative compound effect that had on my sales, and then in turn my confidence was just almost unbearable. I felt like giving up so many days. So what I'm saying is, if I stopped ordering for almost a month just after Christmas, around the Christmas time, and I made a nice chunk of profit in December, but I actually made a net loss last month, not gross loss, but net loss after I paid all staff and everyone. This month, finally, it looks like it's going to be a really nice month profit-wise. But it's been about 2.5 months worth of verging on, not clinical depression, obviously, but Amazon depression, you know, as a seller. My motivation was so low, and I honestly felt like I needed to just stop it, because I was working for free for so much. So what I'm trying to say is, if you are thinking of stopping, and if you think it is right for you at this time to serve that purpose, to systemize like it did for me, fine. But personally, if I knew the after effect it would have had, I either needed someone to explain what it was going to be like, and this is that video to you. The sales are going to be almost non-existent if you do stop ordering, because you get that fresh stock that you're missing out on, you know. Or I wouldn't do it. So you've got to be really, really careful. If you're going to stop ordering, you need to understand that the after effect of that is going to be humongous, because the compound effect of you not ordering every day or every week or whatever, you don't realize how much that positively affects your business on the regular ordering until you stop it altogether. Oh my word. So this is a pre-warning. If you stop ordering, you need to understand the negative implications that's going to have short term in your business. I'm only just recovering after it, about 2.5 months later. So hope that video helps, and see you all soon.